traders. Today I'm going to review OctaFX broker. Okay, so you might have heard or might have traded in this broker before, but today I am going to review it in an updated version, and I'll provide very updated information to you all in this particular video. Okay, so let's start. OctaFX offers a basic low-cost MetaTrader platform experience alongside its social copy trading platform. Yes, it also have a social trading platform, and about which you might be very familiar. So here you can copy your trades from the master traders. Alright, and if you are an experienced trader, you can be a master trader and people will follow and copy you. Okay, so it has made great strides with its pricing options for trades, but suffers from a limited range of tradable instruments and a lack of variety in its educational content. OctaFX also holds just one regulatory license. Alright, so talking about its minimum deposit, it's $25 and it holds trust score of 67 point out of 100. Alright, and it has a total of 52 tradable symbols. Alright, so now let's jump into the pros and cons of OctaFX. Okay, so let's first talk about the pros. The number one is it was founded in 2011. OctaFX is regulated in only one tier 2 jurisdiction, that is Cyprus, making it a high risk broker for Forex and CFD trading. Alright, the second pro is maintains a growing array of well organized research with trading ideas, daily updates, weekly forecast, and third-party content. OctaFX offers a new proprietary platforms for social trading as well. Now let's talk about the cons. Customers served by brokers, non-regulated offshore entity in Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, SVG, are not afforded any regulatory protection. OctaFX appears to offer competitive trading costs, but its listed spread do not have corresponding date ranges and are paired with a narrow selection of just over 50 tradable symbols. Right, so the next point is OctaFX struggles to compete with the leading multi-assets brokers in the areas such as education. CTrader platform is no longer available with the OctaFX. So these are some cons. Alright, so if you talk about overall rating, it has got 3.5 overall rating out of 5 with a trust score of 67. So the most important question, is OctaFX safe? Well, OctaFX is considered high risk with an overall trust score of 67 out of 99. OctaFX is not publicly traded and does not operate a bank. OctaFX is authorized by 0 tier 1 regulators. That means it's a high risk. 1 tier 2 regulator average trust and 0 tier 3 regulators. Alright, now let's talk about trading fees. OctaFX has struggled with pricing in the past, but has vastly improved in this category and is now gaining on the lowest cost MetaTrader brokers. Alright, so account types. Any commissions or fees you pay at OctaFX will depend on your chosen account type and the OctaFX entity under which your account is regulated. European clients will choose the broker EU entity, whereas international clients are served from OctaFX offshore entity in St. Vincent's. Alright, so in the EU only MT5 is promoted and thus a single account is available, whereas SVG entity offers accounts for both MT4 and MT5. Alright, now let's talk about the spread, which is the most interesting topic for most of the retail traders, right? So talking about the spread, OctaFX spread pricing varies depending on which of the entities regulates your account. For example, its EU entity is slightly better for Euro-USD pair at 0.5 pips compared to 0.7 pips for the SVG entity. It's worth noting then that OctaFX did not provide a date range for its average spread data, and thus the values don't carry as much weight as spreads that have a corresponding data reference. All in all, OctaFX has improved its pricing and appears to keep pace with the lowest cost MetaTrader brokers, but with no data range available for its average spread claim, we were unable to make an exact comparison. Alright, so I would like to put some final thoughts. There is no question, if OctaFX wants to compete with the best MetaTrader brokers, it needs to make improvements in its range of products and its research and education. Though it has been granted regulatory status in Cyprus, OctaFX's lack of additional reputable licenses heavily weighs down its trust score. Becoming regulated in more jurisdictions, especially Tier 1 jurisdiction, will go a long way towards building trust with existing and prospecting customers. So finally, is OctaFX a good broker? The answer to this question is OctaFX is an up and coming broker that has been in operations for nearly 10 years. Its growth has enabled OctaFX to continue to expand its product and services. Adding additional regulatory licenses in Tier 1 jurisdictions would be a step forward, winning more clients. Alright guys, so I hope things are very clear to you regarding OctaFX. Now you judge yourself and it's your choice. You want to trade with OctaFX or you want to choose some other brokers. Okay, this question will be left unanswered by me, so you go and choose yourself. Alright guys, so stay tuned to the channel. I'll be uploading reviews for other brokers as well. Alright, so thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.